you for following the system, believing in the business, and starting today and for the coming days, we will enjoy financial freedom. And without any further ado, let me give to you Senior Vice President Dick Alan Apostol. Thank you guys so much for coming today.
Wow, that alone is already a prepared blessing for me. You should have heard her million years ago. But it's all worth it, right? What did I say? I'm surprised with the video I did not. Guys, about that. Beautiful! I want to recognize my worthy brothers inside the room. Could you please stand up, please? I just want you to be recognized at this point.
Yes!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming and supporting this event. It means a lot to me. Stories. How do I start? I know a double platinum from bus to Bentley. Have you ever heard an SB3 from pushcart to BMW? You want to hear that story? Yeah. This is all that started. Yeah.
Let it go, brother!
Okay. You in America, right? No cars, living one place to another. I look for an opportunity. Having passed my board exam yet. And me and these guys, Adam wasn't there yet. We went to Target. And they were so tired because it's a long walk, right? And I couldn't afford, what's the stroller before? I put them in a pushcart. So from then on, I told myself, I'm gonna make this one the last time that I will put them in a pushcart and push them, because it's too far, bro. But being a nurse, I love a nurse so much. I did not hang my scrub in my license yet. But guys, look, instead of me trying to visit 10, 15 patients a day, now I'm like, 2 OB is fine, you know? That's my prepared blessing. But when I see this leadership, which I'm sitting down the same place as you were, guys, I was so awed. Because when they talk, I mean, they're like talking to you heart to heart.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Yeah.
But I was so awed, I could not believe I could not do it. Remember what Platinum Senior Vice President Ben Jabarka, I almost quit it like 10 times, I don't know. But I still stuck around, you know? I've been an executive trainer for 8 months. I love that position so much, I could not let go. Yes. So, you know, just never quit, because Senior Vice President gave me a CD. He never talked too much, but you know, if you want to learn, he'll just give something and just stare at you. Okay, I know what to do. But you know Jim Rohn?
Yeah.
Okay. He said that the same wind blows on us all, right? So that's God. It's the same God that's, you know, looking at you. The boat is the opportunity, guys. And this is the opportunity that we're just sharing. Alright? And if you decide to ride with us, and then we're gonna work with you. Your sail, the sail is your faith. Not only in God, but in yourself and in the business. Okay? So if your faith is so low, then it's going to be slow, like what I did. Never been coachable, never, you know, believe in the system that much. Probably that's why it took me like 2 years to really reach Senior Vice President. Doesn't matter. I'm Senior Vice President. So. I'm just going to let you know, right? But an average guy like me have an opportunity in my hand, took action, then this is it. Right? This is it. You're staring at me right here. But I'm enjoying it. Just believe in yourself like what I did. It only took one person to believe in me. And that was Annabelle, Silver Senior Vice President, Annabelle and PJ Pablo, who saw that stone in the mud and shine and polished me together with the help of the leadership. Now I know that I belong into a great company of leaders that will only not be mentoring me, but now it's part of my family. It's all about extending family, sirs and ma'am. You know, I don't only have the greatness of belonging to a family of Masons, but now in Biblings as well. You know, and then hopefully you as guests, Leo, Antonio, Estrella, and you guys, if you see that opportunity, take action now. The only big difference between you guys and this leadership, determination. That's it. When I started doing it, it just kicked in. Determination to finish what it started. And that's it. It doesn't matter if it's 2 years, 3 years, it doesn't matter. As long as you stick with it, okay?
Yeah.
You hear me? Amen? Okay?
Yep.
All right. What do I do? Let me give it back to one of my mentors, Platinum Senior Vice President Ben Jabarga. And thank you.
Yes. Okay. Like I said, I'm really inspired. Thank you guys. You really deserve this one. Just remember, Senior Vice President is the beginning. The beginning of a whole new world. The beginning of really something bigger than what we've started. And definitely once you really work really hard, especially now as a Senior Vice President, then there's going to be a lot of lives that's going to be changed. Not just yours. Our campaign is to change a lot more lives. Just right here in our own backyard, but now we are going to be going global. So with that, guys, thank you so much. At this point, guys, who wants to witness the BMW awarding? So at this point, we're going to be requesting everyone to meet. We're going to be meeting you outside. Just what? The BMW is outside, right?
Yes.
We have a BMW, yeah? Yes. I haven't seen it, that's why I'm excited. So, yes, we're going to be requesting everybody to celebrate with us outside. We're going to be awarding the BMW outside again for the family, and we'll see you there. Okay? So, we'll see you outside.